Hello everybody and welcome back to Final Fantasy 3 Pixel Remastered. And yeah, it's been a while because I am sick on the for 3 days I think. So I'm still I'm still a little bit of sick. So if you hear my voice, that is not, you know, it's not very clear like that. So I hope you still enjoy this video, and I will edit this after. So I hope you enjoy the playthrough. Without further ado, TLDR. Last time we defeated the fire I think. I don't know. The monster the person who is controlling the elder tree. So for a millennia after that, we get the wheel of time, I think was it, and the Enterprise became a flying fortress too. So this is my new one. So then let's do it. ah, yeah, here. Oof. Okay, let's do it. Let's go to the another floating island. Northwest ay northeast. Okay, there you go. Wreck ship. Okay, we are in a floating island, huh? Okay. Susra. Oh, that's weird. Legendary blade. Alright. Most of the world is underwater after that huge earthquake. I was on a boat at the time. Luckily enough, I saved that young lady as she was clinging to a piece of driftwood. We're the only survivors as far as I'm aware. Oh Lord. Okay. Okay, we need something. Okay. We need something to heal her. Alright then. Oh yeah, pwede. Let's go with this. Okay. Temple of Water. Alright. MP. HPMP. Alright, let's go. A voice echoed through the temple. Only Arya, the priestess of the Temple of Water, is permitted to touch the shard of the water crystal. Arya. Oh, okay. Well then, what should we do? Let's go here. Okay. Okay. Ow. Okay, nice. We need your magic. Oh, what the hell? Okay. 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 Nice. Right. Okay. Ow. Okay. But where's the key though? For it. Ay, what is the key? Yeah, what is the key for unlocking this way? Oh, weird. Okay. Let's do this here. Let's heal up. Ay, how can I revive the girl? The girl is in deep slumber. So which means let's go here. Nothing checks out. So what should I do here? Okay, let's go back to the let's go back here. Man, I cannot fathom this game that is cannot fathom this game is so good. Especially the first. Okay. 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 A massive earthquake, huh? Okay. Let's stop for now. I understand it already. I know what to do now, so let's do it. Let's go to the girl. You know what to do now. Okay. In that case, let's do it. I hope the girl is alright. Antidote. Wait, what? No, antidote. Bro, really? It's by Antidol. Okay, let's go back to the town so we can buy it for cheap. Basics of the basics. Okay. Oh yeah, this one. Okay, let's sleep. Okay, thank you. Okay, let's go back. Let's go back to the outside world. um, wow, we are like a what? We are like a helicopter. Okay, nice. And no, yeah, carrier helicopter. The Chinook. Okay. Nice. Where am I? Who are you? Oh, what is this power I feel within you? Is it light? You must be the warriors who were gifted with the powers of the crystal. Oh, thank goodness you are here. I am Arya, priestess of the water temple. What happened? The earth's power caused that great tremor and buried the water crystal deep underground. Without the power, without the water crystal to connect to protect them, the people were turned to stone and set plummeting into the ocean depths. Please take me to the temple of water. A shard of the water crystal remains there. If I can return it to the crystal, that might break the curse. But you're injured. I will be fine. What matters is the fate of the world. Please, I need to get to the temple of water. No. Okay. Thank you. Okay, girl. Okay, insisted you. You really insisted yourself, huh? Okay. Okay, nice. Thank goodness the light has not yet left this shard completely. Arya carefully took the crystal shard Come, we must take this shard to the cavern north of here. Okay, let's go. Nope. Okay. Okay. Okay, nice. This door is sealed to prevent outsiders from entering the inner sanctum. It can only be opened by a priestess of the water temple. Arya Nielsen murmurs a prayer. The seal on the door is dissipated. Shall we proceed? So which means okay, again. Oh my god. Oh no. Okay, nice. Dead. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. Oh boy. Looks like there is something there. Oh my god, this. Okay, nice. Please don't hit my boy. Okay, I'm sure there's something here. Ah, she. Okay, no. Okay. Nice. Okay. Okay, nice. Dead. Okay. Okay. Cave of Tides. Okay. Ew. Ew. There you go. Okay, they are dead. Mm-hmm. Leo. Ayan. Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay, nice. Okay, another 8. Okay. 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 Oh my god, why? Oh man, petrification. This is the worst. Oh man, petrification, one of the worst things can happen to you. Okay. Okay. Okay, nice. Okay. There you go. Okay. Okay, this is the scene. Crystal water, may you regain your light. Arya returns the faintly gleaming shard to the crystal. Watch out! Arya! Marcus! Arya, no! You do not look for luck. It seems that cursed arrow was meant for you. I am the Kraken tossed by Master Sun himself to ensure that this crystal never regain its former light. You will not live here alive. The monster attack. Oh my god. You really challenged me for that? Okay. Kraken. Thunder. Okay, nice. Nice. Okay. Inflict silence. Okay, nice. Kiora. Okay, let's do it. Okay. Okay. Bam! Tandara. Okay, move. Tandara again. Kraken. There you go. Phoenix down. Okay. Nice. Okay, killed. Nice. Level up again. Nice one. Arya. Light has returned to the crystal. My purpose is fulfilled. Thank you for everything. Arya, stay with us. This title is yours. It is imbued with the power of water. Receive a title from Maria that holds the power of water. Geomancer, Dragoon, Viking, Black Belt, Dark Knight, Evoker, and Bard. Arya, hang in there. It is my time. You must continue your journey without me. The world needs light to dispel the darkness. Do this for me. Bring back peace. Arya, farewell. No, Arya. Another earthquake. It's too dangerous to stay here. We can't just leave Arya. Watch out. Wait, what? Wait, what happened? Oh, you're finally awake. 3 days is a long time to sleep. You don't say. Where are we? This is Amor, the town of water. My grandpa found you all collapsed in the ruins of the temple. We've been out for 3 days. Sorry for imposing on your hospitality, miss. Thanks for everything. Don't thank me, thank Grandpa. Thank you. Stella, thank you. Nice. Good to see you. Good to see you up and about. All's well that ends well, eh? Okay, looks like we ended our quest. Oh. It feels like I just woke up from a vivid dream. Seems like no one remembers the earthquake or that they turned to stone. I'll tell you who put that funny looking chain on your ship. It was Goldor, that's who. Legend states 4 warriors from the world of darkness came and fractured the light of the crystal. Goldor thought that you might be those warriors. He wasn't going to take any chances with his crystal, so he granted your ship here. Goldor is obsessed with wealth. His entire manor is made of gold, but he is so paranoid of thieves. He keeps almost every door locked shut. Goldor's manor? Sure, I know it. It's in the mountains south of this town. Be careful of the bog though. It's a bottomless marshland. If you fall in, you'll never get out. A pair of heavy grass shoes will get you over the bottomless bog easily. Didn't that eccentric old Delilah have a few pairs? If you want to check, She lives down in those sewers. Goldar is not to be trifled with. He's so strong, not even magic works on him. No, that's a toe tapper. Come on, everyone, that's boogie. Oh my god, I love this movie. Well, a little bit of brevity of that brevity. Okay, this will be nice. I like the what was it, the white ones, the white. I like the brevity of the tone. We are in a serious situation, but they put this game. They put a funny thingy. The party is well rested. Alright. It's the man who rescued Arya. Where Miss Arya did something. Oh, I see. This is regrettable news indeed. That Arya wanted you to bring light back to the world. What are you waiting for? Get to it. So it's a crystal you're after, eh? I heard Goldar has one. His manner is sort of here beyond the bottomless bog. Okay, let's change our jumps. Dark Knight, right? Oh. Oh. Okay. Excuse me. Once monsters started coming out of the sewers, the town elders had them set up. I'm pretty sure Gale has the key. You've seen his brigade for all times, right? We have a legend here in our village. It says that four warriors will appear to bring balance to the forces of light and darkness. Okay, off we go. What was that? Who are those guys? Don't mind them, they're harmless. Those fellows would just think they're the four warriors of the Kobe legend. What the hell? What the hell? Alright. Okay. Oh wait, Viking, right? Viking. Access. Evoker. Okay. Okay. Off cam, I will grind the money here. Okay. Ish. Let's go. Okay, save. Okay. Well, this is the end of the video, episode, everybody. like, comment, share, follow for more, and do the usual YouTube stuff. So bye bye everybody, thank you for watching.
Those heroes of antiquity ne'er saw a cannonball, or knew the force of powder to slay their foes withal. But our brave boys do know it, and banish all their fears. Sing a ta-ra-row and a row-row-row for the British good enemy.